tortilla wraps. And the reason that I came up with this is that my son is absolutely loving beef mince at the moment and requests something made with beef mince all the time, and I'm bored of making the same thing. So I thought, let's switch it up. It's a really easy concept, this one. It's so simple to create. We're using the Ninja Foodi and we're then gonna pop it onto bake, and they go all oozy, golden, and absolutely delicious. And at the end, you can just pull them apart and serve them with whatever you like. A little salad, a little bit of guacamole is really nice with this. So if you do want a copy of the full written recipe, all my recipes are available over on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. And of course, you can buy my cookbooks over there as well. And landing any day soon is my new Christmas Ninja Foodi book. So if you're looking for some ideas this year for Christmas, get in quick because I only have limited stock of this cookbook, and it really will help you out so much with using your Ninja Foodi in the festive period, because we've got things from party food, snacks, main courses. We've got, of course, a full Christmas dinner. I've added desserts and drinks in there as well. And then there's even a section for leftovers, which is really handy for that period between Boxing Day and the New Year, and you've got lots of Christmas food left and you don't know what to do with it. So go and grab yourself a copy of that. So I really do hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and please do hit the like button below for me. If you're new to Susannah's Kitchen, then a big warm welcome, and please do subscribe as well because it's free to do so. So let's go and get in the kitchen and let's start making this really quick meal. Now I've added in paprika, so I've got half a teaspoon of paprika. I did a quarter of a teaspoon of ground cumin and a quarter of a teaspoon of oregano. So stir those through your beef, and I want this to be fully browned, and as you can see, we are getting there. So give that a really good mix. So I'm just getting all of my passata in with my beef. It's nicely browned off. Trying to get all of that scraped out. And stir that through. I like to just let this just heat for a minute or two to get a really nice thick tomatoey sauce around your beef. I'm going to add my peppers in, and now I've got my sweet corn in, and I'm going to stir those through. Now it's frozen sweet corn that I've used, 100 grams, about half a red pepper. The sweet corn's been sitting on the side for a while, so it more or less defrosted. And the peppers are nice and fine, so I'm just going to soften those down in with that beef mixture. So I've got a baking tin here, and I've got my little corn tortilla wraps, so they're little small ones. Grab some of your cream cheese and put a nice layer of cream cheese onto each one like this. Now you're going to want to add some beef mixture to each one. So let's start with this one here, shall we? So what I'm going to do is top them all with a beef mixture, and then I'm going to add on some of my grated cheese as well, so that it looks like this. Right, so we're all loaded up. All there is to do is just roll these up and fit them in the baking dish, top them with cheese, and then we can bake them. Place them seam side down, and that way they're going to hold together that little bit better. If you get any little bits of extra that fall out, pop them into another one, or you can eat it as you go along. I've sprinkled the remaining cheddar cheese and mozzarella over the top. It was one of those mixed bags that you can get in like Tesco, Sainsbury's, etc. So those are ready to go, and I am going to put those in on bake. When your beef tortillas have been cooked, they're going to be oozy and cheesy on the top. They bubble up beautifully, and you get a slight crispy texture to the top of each wrap as well. You can then pull these apart and serve them up. They're really tasty and actually very filling as well. I like to serve them with some guacamole on the side. I do hope you've enjoyed this really quick and easy recipe. Whether you're making this for lunch or for dinner, I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Let me know in the comments if you give it a try, and don't forget to hit that like button for me and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.